What if an entire written language vanished without explanation? The Rongorongo Script of Easter Island remains one of the world's most baffling undeciphered inscriptions from a remote Pacific culture. Carved onto wooden tablets and artifacts, these elegant glyphs combine human, animal, plant, and geometric motifs in repeated, mysterious sequences. First recorded by European visitors in the 19th century, many original tablets were lost, burned, or repurposed as firewood. The surviving corpus is small, roughly 24 texts, forcing scholars to work with frustratingly limited data. Researchers debate whether Rongorongo is full writing, a mnemonic system, or ritual notation tied to star calendars or genealogy. Some early attempts at decipherment proposed links to Rapanui language, while others suggested connections to Polynesian chants and ritual recitations. In the 20th century, careful copying and photography preserved damaged texts and allowed patterns to emerge across different tablets. A striking feature is its reading direction. Many lines reverse direction in a boustrophedon-like fashion, with glyph orientation changing between lines. Repeated sequences hint at proper names, calendar counts, or formulaic phrases. Yet no consensus on a key exists to unlock meaning. The island's dramatic history, ecological collapse, cultural upheaval, and missionary influence complicates reconstruction of the script's original context. Oral traditions recorded later, including creation myths and king lists, offer tantalizing but non-conclusive clues that resist direct mapping to glyphs. Statistical analyses have compared symbol frequencies and positional patterns to other writing systems, yielding intriguing but disputed results. A persuasive reading must explain both internal structure and how symbols map to spoken language requirements, still unmet by any single theory. New technologies like multispectral imaging and computational pattern analysis provide fresh tools to examine faint traces and rewrite histories. Yet technological advances alone cannot substitute for lost cultural knowledge that might have explained who read and wrote these tablets. Each discovery raises ethical questions about ownership, repatriation, and the responsibilities of museums holding Rongorongo artifacts. For many Rapanui people, the script is not only an archaeological puzzle, but a living link to ancestral identity and resilience. The enigma persists because language is human and unpredictable, refusing tidy solutions and inviting patience, creativity, and respect. International collaborations now pair descendants and scientists to contextualize finds and prioritize respectful research and potential repatriation. Digital archives and open-source databases make higher-resolution images available for study, widening participation beyond elite laboratories. Amateur researchers and computational linguists contribute fresh hypotheses, but consensus requires evidence tied back to living traditions and languages. Whatever the outcome, Rongorongo reminds us that writing is fragile and that cultural memory can be lost or recovered through care. Subscribe to the channel and like this video to support more explorations into history's greatest mysteries.